if you're starting out with your Canvas course for the beginning of the school year, it's going to look like this. Or if you've never put anything in it, it's probably going to look like this. So right away, it's going to prompt you to begin to either create new modules or add existing content. So you can go ahead. If you have a previous course that you would like to use, you can go ahead and add existing content. Once you click that content type, it's going to ask you where you want to import this. So in my case, I'm going to copy a Canvas course that I already had. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to want me to search for that course. So I can go back through here and find the course that I want to copy. So my last health class was this Health 1, 2019 and 2020. So I can click on that. That's what I want. I want all content, or I can click that I want to select specific content from that course. And I find it's easier to just, if you have a full course, just do all content, and then you can delete out what you don't want, but it's up to you how you want to do it. And then you can adjust the events and due dates. I usually shift dates or just remove all the dates. So that way I can add the dates as I wish, as the course kind of evolves. And then you would go ahead and click import. And once I do that, it will upload all my modules, and I can go through and unpublish what I do not want and change due dates. If you're ever wanting to see anything from your past courses, you can go to your courses buy-in and scroll down to all courses. And when you get there, you will see all of your current classes that are still in there, and then you'll see past enrollments. And this is all of the classes that I've ever had that have expired and had end dates that are in my Canvas.